everyone, my name is Emily and I'm a teacher here at Lotto DC. Today I'm going to tell you about the Hamburger Method. The Hamburger Method is a great, easy way to remember how to make a strong essay, whether you are writing for the TOEFL exam or just for an academic essay. Think of your essay like a hamburger. The top bun is your introduction. This is an important first step to making a strong essay. You need to lead the audience into the reading. But before you get too far, think about these little sesame seeds on top as your hook. These are the extra little flavor that catches your audience's attention and pulls you or them into the essay. The next part, and in my opinion the most important part, is the cheese, or the thesis statement. The thesis statement is the one sentence at the end of your introduction that tells your readers what your whole essay is going to be about. It needs to be strong and delicious, just like that cheese. The 3 hamburger patties that you see here are like your body paragraphs in your essay. Now, it depends on the type of essay that you are writing. What kind of cheeseburger are you going to order? 1 patty, 2 patties, or 3 patties? If you're trying to write something for the TOEFL, maybe 1 patty is enough. You need 1 good reason to support your thesis statement. But sometimes you want to add 3 strong patties to make this a meaty, delicious hamburger and really support your essay. And finally, the bottom bun is your conclusion. This is a very important part because if you have a hamburger and you don't have a bun at the bottom, your sandwich will fall apart. The essay is the same way. You need that conclusion to wrap everything together. This has been another Lotto tip.